traveled 1,500 miles just for you. Bet you don't want me, she don't want to. That piece by piece, intellect in me, off the ground where you were planting things. And piece by piece, you filled the holes that you burned in me. At 6 years old, no, he never walks away. He never asks for money, he takes care of me. He loves me, and all of your words fall flat. I make something of myself and now I wanna come back. Your loving isn't free, it's the way back then I didn't have anything so I was worthless. But piece by piece, you collected me all the ground where you planted things. And piece by piece, you filled the holes that you burned in me. At 6 years old, he never walked away. He never asked for money. He takes care of me. He loves me. And piece by piece, he filled the holes that you burned in me. At 6 years old, he restored my faith that I could be kind to all I could say. Piece by piece, piece by piece, piece by piece. I fell far from the tree. I would never leave her like you left me, and she will never have to wonder her worth, because unlike you, I'm gonna put her first. You'll never walk away. You'll never break her heart. You'll take care of me. I love her. And piece by piece, they restore my faith that a man could be kind. A father should be great. But piece by piece, piece by piece. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Have a good day, and I hope you guys enjoy it.